Hi everyone. Today we cover some more frequently asked questions on ADF and I will cover some more questions in upcoming videos. Let's start the questions section. How do you create blob storage automatically in Azure? So we know about the blob storage. We have so a number of three types of blob storage like blob, page blob, append blob. So how we create blob storage automatically? Let us see. To create a blob storage account in Azure automatically, we use the Azure CLI, Azure Portal or Azure Resource Manager templates. In this way, we can create the Azure blob storage. So next question. Difference between dedicated SQL pool, serverless SQL pool. So this is the most frequently asked question. Let us see what are the differences between these dedicated SQL pools and server SQL pools. So there are some main differences like compute payment model, scaling, engine, use cases, data retrieval. In this way, they have some differences between these pools. So let us see what are those differences. In compute, it defines as a compute strategy, whereas serverless SQL pool is a compute managed by Microsoft. In payment model, dedicated SQL pool is cost per hour, whereas serverless SQL pool is cost per terabyte of data processed. Coming to scaling process, the dedicated SQL pool is manual scaling, whereas serverless SQL pool is auto scaling. Coming to engine, it has dedicated SQL pool is MPP engine type, whereas serverless SQL pool is DPP engine type. What are the use cases in the dedicated SQL pool means it is a predictable performance and cost, whereas serverless SQL pool it is ad hoc exploration data lake housing. What is the data retrieval? It is a fast. In dedicated SQL pool, it is fast. Distribution of strategies can be implemented like round robin hash, query caching. These are used. Whereas serverless SQL pool, it is mid-core. Results cannot be cached. Data needs to be fetched from storage. These are the differences between dedicated SQL pool and serverless SQL pool. Next question. What is polybase mechanism? So in previous videos we have discussed about the what is polybase mechanism. So it has a simplified data integration, real-time integration, support for multiple formats. In this way I have discussed polybase mechanisms. What are those? What is the advantage for this polybase mechanism? Is it polybase mechanism? It is easy to query the data by using T-SQL, import data from Hadoop, Azure Blob Storage, or Azure Data Lake Store. It leverages the speed of Microsoft SQL's column store technology and analysis capabilities by importing data from Hadoop, Azure Blob Storage, or Azure Data Lake Store into relational tables. Next question. What was the maximum size of data that you have analyzed so far? So it is based on your project. The question will be somewhat, they will all somewhat based on depending on your project. So according to my project, in my current role, I have processed and analyzed data set that are up to 10 gigabyte in size. Next question. What is the difference between star schema and snowflake schema? So this is also most frequently asked question. Actually, what is this star and snowflake schema? Let us discuss in brief. Star and snowflake schema are the most commonly used schema when it comes to the database model. Both have their advantages and disadvantages. When the data is normalized form, we use snowflake schema, and when we have denormalized data, we use the data star schema. So, star schema is a type of data warehouse schema that is optimized for query performance, whereas snowflake schema is type of data warehouse schema that is normalized for storage efficiency. In simple way, I will explain what is star and snowflake schema. So, when data is normalized form, we use snowflake schema. When data is denormalized form, we use star schema. Next question. What is data skewness? So, it is work with Azure Synapse Analytics. Actually, what is meant by this data skew? In simple way, I will explain what is data skew. Actually, it refers to an uneven distribution of data within a data set. In simple form we can explain that uneven distribution of data within a data set is known as data skew. So data skewness is a statistical phenomenon that occurs when the distribution of data set is not symmetrically. Data skew can impact the performance of data processing and analysis. So it actually this skewness can occur in various dimensions of data sets such as column, partitions, or even individual files. So in simple way, what is meant by data skewness means an even distribution of data within a data set is known as data skewness. Next question. What are the different file storage formats and how do you know when to use them? It is also based on your project we use to answer this type of question. The different file storage formats are text, CSV, JSON, XML, and binary. Each file storage format has its own advantages and disadvantages. The format that you choose should be based on the needs of your project. Next question. Describe a time you had difficulty merging data. How did you solve this issue? So this is this is based on your project question. Uh, Regarding my project, I come across what type of difficult merging data I will explain. Once I had a difficult merging data because the data sets were in different formats. I solved this issue by using data transformation tool to convert the data into the same format. In this way, you can answer this type of question. Next question. What is a columnar database? How it is relational database? Actually, what is this columnar database? I will explain in simple manner. So, columnar database is a database management system that stores the data in columns instead of rows. The main purpose of this columnar database is it efficiently write and read data to and from hard disk storage in order to speed up the time it takes to return a query. So actually it is a type of a database that stores the data in columns. It's known as a columnar database. How it is different from relational database means it is actually designed for data warehousing and data analysis. They are different from relational databases because they are optimized for query performance. Next question. What is your experience with data modeling? I have experience working with data modeling. I have used data modeling to create a conceptual, logical, and physical data models. I have also used data modeling to reverse engineering data model. So these are the questions which we frequently asked for Azure Data Factory. Some more questions I will cover in next coming videos. Thank you. Thank you one and all.